A very good morning to all of you guys. So it's 2020, 20, 22, yes, 22 of April 2026. It's Wednesday and I am here for my morning practice. And in my morning practice, I do the random talk, the spontaneous speaking. And right now, I am searching what to say on this camera. So, I was just listening uh, some YouTuber before coming here. That was they were talking about the how to learn this language, and they were saying reading is important, and if you watch on YouTube, there are so many YouTubers. They are bunch of a flood of suggestion. But dear friends, generally, it's only depends on us how can we learn, because everything doesn't resonate with our uh, way, our style. Because if I talk about myself, I have never I have never been good at reading. Reading has never been my cup of tea. I can say I tried a lot. I tried many times, but I couldn't make it because I was not good at studies since my childhood, and for this I always refrain from studies. So I don't like generally reading, although for the sake of knowledge I try to read, but honestly I failed. So my learning funda is observation. When I uh, observe anyone, then if they say something, I picked that note, and then I learn something. This is my way to learn anything. So your because uh, if I watch something if I watch any movies and the actor or uh, any character of movie, they are saying something which I like most, I just pick that uh, things and try to remember, and that things incorporate in my way, my language. The same way, the person, the YouTuber was saying right thing, because when we watch something and listening, sometimes we we go out of zone out, we go out, zone out. Usually we we are listening but passively. So attentively, when we see things, then we can able to, because listening, watching on YouTube and listening someone, our mind could be distracted while watching. We are just seeing how, seeing him or her, how they are speaking, and our mind can distracted somewhere. uh, we start watching their look and their style of speaking. We think about uh, how how beautifully she or he was speaking. If I practice something like that, our mind goes other side, and we are not able to listen or watching attentively the real content, and we are not able to there pick the anything to learn. So definitely I also feel many times my mind uh, goes zone out in la la land, and making some mm, thinking something about myself. uh, so definitely it happens with everyone. So but if I talk about what is how do I learn, I learn only by listening and by observing. If someone is speaking something, then I can but when we start when start reading something, reading something that I I usually get bored bored easily. So it's depends on everyone, because definitely when you read something that is there is no things, only you can imagine by the sentences which is you are reading. So but it can help you, but for me, I don't enjoy reading. I enjoy watching, I enjoy observing things, observing people, and then I learn easily. So first of all, if you really want to learn something, then you have to focus on yourself, because since my childhood I have observing myself. Whenever I watch a movie or serial, uh, and there they the actor or any villain, any character of movie, they speak something like dialogue or some English phrases. I just used to pick easily and imbibe in myself, and I was able to speak. And uh, in my day-to-day life, I just started imitating how the actor say these things, either Hindi or English. So mm, I think uh, this is this and I observe these things, this habit of mine. I i used to do it a lot. So my learning way is observing people, what they are saying. If I like any dialogue, if I like any sentence, I just try to learn it, and I try to speak, and I try to, whenever it time to speaking uh, that dialogue or that English word or sentences, I try to use it. This way I learn. So your way, you have to focus what is your original way, because everyone has their own style of speaking, style of uh, learning. So this is what is my coming mind this is what was coming in my mind, so I try to explain it. Hope I am able to narrate these things and hope you can understand. So the main idea is observe yourself. What is your actual way? How do you learn anything? How do you pick anything? Then you are able to learn these things. So this is what for this today, this morning. So here I am going to take your leave. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, have fun, and have a wonderful day ahead. Happy morning.